Cummins Onan 2800i. Just a great fuel efficient, ultra low quiet generator. At no load only pulls 0.14 gallons of gasoline per hour, at half load 0.21 gallons, and then at full load 0.46. Just behind here you'll see the location for the dual Group 31 absorb glass mat maintenance free house batteries. Again, the coach does also then maintain a 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter to power household appliances directly off of the dual Group 31 maintenance-free AGM absorbed glass mat batteries. You'll also see a 2-burner range LP cooktop with glass cover and heat shield. The glass cooktop cover also serves as your backsplash for an easy-to-clean backsplash for the dual-burner range top. Winnebago Travato Lithium series offer the most powerful, durable, and easy-to-use lithium energy management system in the RV industry. This best-in-class lithium energy management system is U.S. built in partnership with Volta Power Systems, helping van lifers cut the cord. Pure 3 is built with advanced engineering from former automotive, hybrid, and EV engineers and features a simple one-touch button user interface so that you can have confidence and peace of mind as you travel, live, work, and play. The Travato Lithium models provide complete 30-amp coach electrical performance, including the use of the air conditioning system and simultaneous use of other coach appliances as if you are plugged into 30-amp shoreline service or using a common RV generator. Use all of your electrical appliances all of the time. The underlying power is provided by a 48-volt automotive-grade lithium NMC nickel manganese cobalt power pack, as opposed to drop-in off-the-shelf lithium iron phosphate batteries from competing RV manufacturers, and provides standard 9,600 watt-hours of energy. Option now allows for an upgrade to the larger 4-module Volta Energy Pack featuring 12,800 usable watt-hours of power. Of course, all Pure 3 models now also include the 160-amp alternator for faster charging. Featuring a single induction burner cooktop with quicker heat, precise control, and easy cleanup. It also alleviates any interior open flame, reducing the need to monitor the LP tank fuel level.